Good morning, students. In the last class, we were discussing about the general characteristics of group of 15 elements. In that, we have seen oxidation states of group of 15 elements, that is -3, +3 and +5. Tendency to show -3 oxidation state decreases due to increase in size and metallic character, whereas the tendency to show +5 oxidation state also decreases due to inert pair effect, that is non-involvement of a pair of electrons in ns orbital towards chemical reactivity due to large difference in ns orbital and np orbital energies. Is it right? See, after that we have studied anomalous properties of nitrogen. In that, so distinctly I have told reasons for anomalous properties and what are the anomalous properties. Reasons for anomalous properties are small atomic size, high electronegativity, high ionization enthalpy, and the absence of d orbitals in the valence shell. And what are the anomalous properties? Means, first one is nitrogen is a gas, while other elements of 15th group are solids. Another second one is nitrogen is a diatomic molecule with nitrogen triple bond, whereas if you take phosphorus and arsenic, they are tetraatomic with single bonds. And another one, the important anomalous property of this nitrogen is it has maximum covalency of 4 only because of absence of d orbitals in its valence shell. And after that we have studied the reactivity of these 15th group elements towards hydrogen and oxygen. Now let us come to the discussion of preparation, properties and uses of dinitrogen. Now let us come to the discussion of dinitrogen. Dinitrogen. See, preparation. Preparation. Here, first one is from air, because we know that 78% by volume of atmospheric air contains, dry air contains nitrogen gas. Is it right? See, commercially dinitrogen gas is obtained by the liquefaction and fractional distillation of dry air. Dinitrogen distills over first, distills over first, leaving behind dioxygen with a boiling point of 90 Kelvin. ನೋಡಿ, ಡೈಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 90 ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಐತಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಡೈ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 77.3 ಐತಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಈ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರಿಕ್ ಏರ್ ಡ್ರೈ ಏರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಕಿರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಲಿಕ್ವಿಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಲಿಕ್ವಿಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮ್ಯಾಗ ನೀವು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲ ಡೈ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಆಮ್ಯಾಗ ಡೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್. ಎರಡನೇದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಮೋನಿಯಂ ಡೈಕ್ರೋಮೇಟ್. See here, let me write the reaction. Ammonium dichromate, NH4 twice Cr2O7. See, it is decomposed by heating, that is thermal decomposition. Decomposed by heating, that is thermal decomposition. Thermally, it is unstable. At high temperature, it decomposes to give what? N2 plus 4H2O plus Cr2O3 plus Cr2O3. So here what we are going to get? We are going to get dinitrogen gas. Next is lab method. In the laboratory, it is prepared by treating in the lab dinitrogen gas is obtained by treating aqueous solution of ammonium chloride with sodium nitrite. By treating aqueous solution of ammonium chloride with sodium nitrite with sodium nitrite. That is, ammonium chloride is NH4Cl aqueous solution plus NaNO2 sodium nitrite NaNO2. See what we are going to get? Dinitrogen gas N2 plus H2O, that is 2H2O plus NaCl plus NaCl. This is what? This is the method to get dinitrogen gas in the laboratory. Now let us come to the properties. It is a colorless odorless, tasteless, non-toxic gas. Dinitrogen is, it is a colorless, odorless, tasteless, and non-toxic gas. Second one, it has two stable isotopes, that is nitrogen 14 and nitrogen 15. It has two stable isotopes, that is nitrogen 14 and nitrogen 15. Nitrogen 14 and nitrogen 15 are the isotopes. Now, third one, it is very less soluble. It is very less soluble in water. That is 23.2 cubic centimeter per liter of water, at 273 Kelvin temperature and 1 bar pressure. See, already while studying solution chapter, we have studied solubility of gas in liquid. So for that, you have to mention at what temperature and under what pressure we are dissolving that gas in the given liquid. Here, dinitrogen gas is very less soluble in water, that is 23.2 cubic centimeter per liter of water at 273 Kelvin temperature and 1 bar pressure. See, next is coming to, it is inert at room temperature because of high bond dissociation enthalpy of nitrogen triple bond. Nitrogen triple bond ಇರುವುದರಿಂದ room temperature ಒಳಗ ಇದು inert ಐತಿ. It do not show any chemical reactivity. But at higher temperature, it reacts with both metals and non-metals to form nitrites. See, next is coming to the reactivity of this nitrogen. Reactivity of this nitrogen. Note, dinitrogen is inert at room temperature due to high bond dissociation enthalpy of nitrogen triple bond. Fourth one, at room temperature, dinitrogen is inert due to high bond dissociation enthalpy of enthalpy of nitrogen triple bond, that is, see, N triple bond N. Is it right? Then, however, at higher temperature, it reacts with metals to form ionic nitrides and with non-metals to form covalent nitrides. Is it right? See, let us take examples. With lithium metal, it reacts to form, that is Li3N. See, as it is, 3Li means here there are 2 nitrogens, so therefore we have to make 2Li3N. So when you make 2Li3N, here you have to take 6Li. This is one. Then with magnesium metal, Mg plus N2, you are going to get Mg3N2. So therefore 3Mg. These two are metal nitrides. They are ionic in nature. And if you take this one, 3H2 plus N2, we are going to get 2NH3 ammonia. Delta H is equal to, that is minus 92.2 or 46.1 kilocalories per mole. 46.1 kilojoules per mole. And another one is with oxygen, it forms nitric oxide. With oxygen, it forms nitric oxide. N2 plus O2. Here, all these are gases. Gas. Here, we are going to get 2NO, nitric oxide gas, laughing gas. Nitric oxide. Is it right? And delta H is equal to plus 180 kilojoules. See, these are the reactions of dinitrogen with oxygen and hydrogen. They are non-metals, and here the nitrides form. We call them as covalent nitrides. Next is coming to uses, where we are going to make use of this dinitrogen. See, coming to uses. See, uses. Dinitrogen is used. First one, in the manufacture of. In the manufacture of ammonia by Haber's process, nitric acid by Ostwald's process, Second one, it is used as an inert atmosphere in iron and steel industry. Used as inert atmosphere in iron and steel industries. It is also used as an inert diluent for reactive chemicals. As inert diluent ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಡೈಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯೂಶಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಕಡೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಸಮಯದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡೈನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇನರ್ಟ್ ಡೈಲ್ಯೂಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಸ್ ಇನರ್ಟ್ ಡೈಲ್ಯೂಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ chemicals. Liquid nitrogen is used as refrigerant for the preservation of biological specimens and some food items. See, it is used. Liquid nitrogen is used as refrigerant to preserve biological specimens, then food items. See, for the preservation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಯಿಗಳು, preservation of biological specimens, food items. This is regarding ಏನ್ರಿ ಡೈನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್. ಏನೇನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದಂಗಾಯ್ತು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್, ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಈ ಡ್ರೈ ಏರನ್ನ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ದೆನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲು ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎರಡನೇದು ಬೈ ದ ಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಮೋನಿಯಂ ಡೈಕ್ರೋಮೇಟ್. ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ರೋಟರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಮೋನಿಯಂ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ನೈಟ್ರೈಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಯೂಸಸ್. Is it right? So in the next class we will discuss ammonia. Thank you.